Hello dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you in my tutorial English for all. This is Babul Akhtar with you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to discuss how you can make sentences using it. Using it, you can make many important and useful sentences in your daily life. Today, I'm going to show all about this. Use of it. As you can see, it has two uses, it as a pronoun and introductory it. So how to use as a pronoun? I'm giving you example. Like, to understand this, I'm giving you another example. Like Sami is a good boy. He respects others. He respects others. সে অন্যদের শ্রদ্ধা করে। সামির পরিবর্তে হি প্রোনাউন হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে। আরেকটি উদাহরণ দিচ্ছি। He did the work. The work is very important, or the work was very important. এখানে সে কাজটি করেছিল, কাজটি অনেক গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ছিল। দ্য ওয়ার্ক আমি দুইবার ব্যবহার করেছি, দুইবার ব্যবহার করার প্রয়োজন নেই। আমি দ্য ওয়ার্কের পরিবর্তে আমি ইট ব্যবহার করব। ইট ওয়াজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। সো হিয়ার ইট ইজ ইউজড অ্যাজ এ প্রোনাউন। ইট প্রোনাউন হিসেবে আরও কিছু ক্ষেত্রে ব্যবহার করা হয়, যেমন চাইল্ড এবং if the gender is unknown, or for animal. Like the baby is playing. Okay? It likes toys very much. It likes toys very much. Alright? So then go to the if the gender is unknown. ধরুন আপনার ঘরের দরজায় কেউ এসেছে, নক করছে, knocking at your door, but you don't know who is this person. This person is man or woman, girl or boy. That means you are not aware about the gender of the person. Then how to ask question? How if you want to know this person's identity, then you can ask in this way: who is it? Who is it? আপনি কে? Then answer should be it is Sami, or it is Rima, blah blah blah. Then for the animal, always it is used as a pronoun. Like the cow is a useful animal. Okay? It gives us milk. Then we will learn about introductory it. সময়, দিন, সময়, মাস, দূরত্ব, পথ, মাইল, আবহাওয়া, বৃষ্টি, শিশির, রোদ, ঠান্ডা, গরম, জোয়ার, ভাটা, এসব কিছু জানার জন্য আমরা ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি ইট ব্যবহার করে থাকি। যেমন আমি যদি বলি যে আজকে কি বার, what day is it today? Okay, then answer should be it is Wednesday. Or what day was it yesterday? গতকাল কি বার ছিল? It was Tuesday yesterday. Then what time is it? What time is it? It is 10 o'clock, it is 9 o'clock, blah blah blah. Or what time was it? You can make it also in the past form. It was 10 o'clock, it was 9 o'clock. Then you want to know about the date, okay? What date is it today? What date is it today? What date is it today? Today is 5th August. Like this. Then to know about distance, like how far is it to, like, Tehran? Tehran কত দূর? Like it is 1200 kilometers. It is 1000 kilometers from Bangladesh, like this. Or more than, say, 5000 kilometers, maybe. Then you can use for interactive aid for weather. Like I've given you an example here. It is raining today, as বৃষ্টি পড়ছে. It is dewy today, আজকে শিশির পড়ছে. It is snowing, তুষার পড়ছে. It is frosty today, আজকে তুষারাচ্ছন্ন দিন. It is sunny today, আজকে খুব রৌদ্রময় দিন. You can make it also in the past form, like it was raining yesterday, it was dewing yesterday, it was snowing yesterday, it was frosty yesterday, it was sunny yesterday. Then to know about the temperature, like আজকে খুব গরম পড়েছে, আজকে খুব ঠান্ডা পড়েছে, এসব কিছু জানার জন্য আমরা ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি এড ব্যবহার করে থাকি. যেমন it is very cold today, or it is very hot today. It is very hot today. Then tight. It is hydrate. It is low tide. আজকে অনেক জোয়ার, দুঃখিত. It is low tide, আজকে অনেক ভাটা পড়েছে. So, dear viewers and learners, this is all about using it. You can make sentences in this way. Actually, there are many other ways to make sentences using it. I will show you step by step. Today's part 1, so probably it might take a couple of parts to finish about it. Thank you very much for watching it. If you might have liked my tutorial, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon, because if you click on the bell icon, as soon as I upload any video or any tutorial, it will reach to you in the right time. Thank you very much for watching it. Until then, Khuda Hafiz.